Meaning of Jurassic.
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 Jurassic. The term Jurassic refers to a geologic period that occurred approximately 201 to 145 million years ago. It is part of the Mesozoic era and is well known for its dinosaurs, including some of the most well-known species such as Stegosaurus, Brachiosaurus, and of course, the Tyrannosaurus rex. The name Jurassic comes from the Jura Mountains in Switzerland, where rocks from this period were first studied and identified. Today, these rocks can be found all over the world and continue to offer important insights into the Earth's history and evolution.